matter, Jock? What's the matter, baby boy? Why are you staring? What's the matter? Oh, are you hungry? Are you thirsty? You want to go for a walk? Want to go to the store? What is it? Can you tell me what it is? Just want to go around in circles? Cutie Pumpkin. Are you the cutest little dog? I think you are. I think you're a cutie. What are you doing? You still out of it from the drugs? Because you had your tubes pulled yesterday? Doc. Hello. You want a chin scratch? You want a chin scratch? Yes. He loves the chin scratch. That's his favorite. He's the boy. He's a boy. Yes, he is.